सो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सभी। सो मार्केट हैज़ ओपन एंड यू सी निफ्टी इज़ ऑलमोस्ट 50 पॉइंट अप एंड इट्स ओपन एट 15,220, ट्रेडिंग एट 15,220 एंड बैंक निफ्टी भी अराउंड 200 पॉइंट ऊपर ही है। तो एक्चुअली मार्केट इज स्लाइटली बुलिश एंड इफ यू सी द विक्स इज 4% up and our profit is around 2400 and maybe big shot up today, so we will trade according to that and बाकी पोजीशन हमारी वही है ओवर एंड 15,000 15,200 and 15,400. So according to that we will manage our position according to the market behavior and which position I will take by today. So just I am waiting for to settle down the market. After that I will take some positions in Nifty. So आपको मैं अभी बाद में अपडेट कर दूँगा. Okay. So well, our profit is around 5,300 and I have took some more positions in Nifty. That is just one second. Let me show you. Yeah, I have added 15,250 straddle with 2 lots and I have added one more lot in the 15,200 straddle. Only I have this position I have taken and this position I have converted to the intraday and that are almost running well. So and if you see the chart of Nifty and if you see the Nifty just given the some down movement to 15,000 around 150 and it is almost trying to take support over here. So let's see it will take support or because if you see last swing is here. Just one second. Yeah, see, maybe it takes support from here and maybe it reverse, and if it reverse from this level then sure we will get decent profit in this position. So बाकी देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है. Yes. Let's see it will take support or it will break the again low or make a new low, but देखते हैं. अभी आपको मैं फिर बाद में अपडेट करता हूँ. The VC profit is around 4,600. So well, see that our profit is around 8,500 rupees and really it is good profit and if you see the market and market is trading now above 200 and it is almost recover from the day low. If you see day low is around 15,150 and it is recovered almost more than around 67 points. 50 it's recovered almost 70 points from day low. Really it is a good recovery in Nifty. So now it is also trading above 15,200 and really put writer are very aggressive at 15,200 and just let me आपको अभी मैं ऑप्शन चेन पे लेके जाता हूँ. जस्ट वेट. सो अगर आप ऑप्शन चेन का डाटा देखते हो तो इफ यू सी द स्ट्राइक ऑफ 15,200 द कॉल राइटर ओवरऑल द कॉल राइटर इज अराउंड 36 lakh and पुट राइटर इज अराउंड 25 lakh and if you see the today's data then see call writer call change is around 8,13,000 and put change is around 11,89,000. So as per today, as of today's data, the put writer are strong at the level of 15,200. So it may trade above the 15,200 the level because as per the recovery of the Nifty, I am expecting that it may trade above the 15,200. And if you see the strike of 15,300, the call changes at 12,34,000 and the put change around 2,27,000. So the most important strike is around 15,200. It is the important strike for the today. We have to watch the data over here. What the data is build up, call writer are aggressive or the put writer. According to that, the market will behave. So we will manage our position according to that. You see Nifty is really trading above 15,200. So really it is good. In 15-minute time frame, you see in 15 minute, as I told you that it may take support from this level. So yes, it did. It took support around this level, and now it is trading above. Wait, so now in 15-minute time frame it is trading above BBAP. So well, it is good sign. बाकी आपको अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम मैं अपडेट करता रहूँगा. वॉल्यूम इज़ आल्सो इंक्रीजिंग इन 15-minute कैंडल, एंड in 15-minute time frame it is trading above 20 EMA. So this is a 20 EMA, and this is BBAP. So now it is struggling at 20 EMA and VWAP. So it may if the closing is above VWAP, then it may give more up move till maybe to test day high also. So बाकी देखते हैं अभी how it will trade. बताना चाहता हूँ कि all my trades are, you know, if you want to take any trade, so better to discuss with your financial advisor. This is a disclaimer, because maybe my risk appetite is different than yours. Your risk appetite is different and my risk appetite is different, so that's why I'm not suggesting to you that take my trades blindly. You can learn from it, and you can practice on it, and after that you can trade on by yourself. So we are at 9,000 rupees. So okay guys, our profit is around 8,900 rupees, and actually we are in decent profit. So I'm going to exit my positions, and we'll अभी बाकी का टाइम I will spend free. So that's why I'm going to book my profit. Actually 15,250 straddle I have already exited and booked the profit, and the rest position I'm going to exit and going to book my profit. So just 1 second. So that's all right, that's it. So we have booked profit around 8,800 rupees. So well, it is a good profit. Actually VIX is up. So and why I exit my positions, because if you see here, you know, when this type of volume comes to the Nifty or in Bank Nifty also, so we may see a wild movement on the either side. It may on the upside or in the downside. So that is why I exited my position, because we are already in the good profit. So we don't want to lose it, right? So we can take again another position if we get the good opportunity to enter in the market. So we will take any position, because if you see today VIX is already up. VIX is already trading higher, almost 1%. So whenever the volume will expand on the either side, we may see the huge movement on either side, either in the upside or in the bottom side. So that's why we will wait for that moment, because we are already in a good profit. So we will wait for that moment, because mostly the move uh, uh, in Nifty or Bank Nifty on either side come around after 12. It's around 12:30 or post 12:30 around or around 1 o'clock. So we will wait for that times, and after the movement we will try to enter in the market. We will take new position, or if we get the good opportunity, only if we get good opportunities. So that's why we will enter in the market. If we will not get any good opportunity, so we will not enter in the market. So because we already booked a good profit in almost it's 1140, so we have booked around 8,800 rupees. So it's a good profit. So we are already done for the day. So what will I will do for tomorrow? I will plan according to the market behavior. So well, thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please share my videos, and please subscribe more and more and more, so that we can make some new videos for new beginner in the stock market. Actually you can see here I am only trading live in front of you. No any fake profit screenshots, etc. Nothing is fake here. All we are trading in the live market. You can, if you have entered, you can see the time at here. It's 11:42. So every trade is live in front of you. So that is why please support us and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video and good day. अगर इसके बाद कोई भी अपडेट होता है, आई विल टेक सम न्यू पोजीशन, वट एवर आई विल अपडेट टू यू later. And if anyone is interested into learn option selling or option trading or any kind of learning, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in my description, so you can take the number from here and you can contact me. Thanks for watching my video. Well guys, welcome again. So I'm just want to inform to you that I have took new position in Nifty. I have shorted 15,300 call strike with 2 lot at the price of 63. So let's see how this will work. Actually I'm expecting that Nifty may give some down move, so that's why I have shorted this call. So let's see how it work. So अभी मैं आपको करता हूँ बाद में अपडेट. The profit is going around 1100 in this position, so I'm going to book my profit. So just wait. I'm thinking to book my profit, so just wait. 55. Let me see the chart of Nifty. अभी मैं करता हूँ आपको अपडेट जब अगर पोजीशन एक्सिट करता हूँ तो. So well guys, target is hit, so I'm going to book my profit. So yes, all right. So see, I have booked the profit in this strike. I have shorted at 63 and booked at 54. Almost 9 point I have booked in this position. So 9 to 10 point is not bad. Actually we have only 2 lots, so that's why. So well, so now I'm done for the day. Thanks for watching my video. So if you see our overall profit is above 10,000, so that's our target. So well, okay, good day.